Hello viewers. In this video you gonna learn how to approved Facebook Instream pages within 1 minute. Go to Instream ads, search on Google, you will get that. Then click on See Status. And check your eligible pages. I am approving for the brand collabs, and you can do Facebook Instream as brand collabs. After approval you can take likes, and you can do Instream as well. Just go to apply, choose eligible countries like USA, UK, Canada and etc. As you can see, it's approved instantly. It does not take much time to approve. Go to Page Insight to check your page eligible for Facebook Instream ads or not. You need views and 10K likes for Facebook Instream. My page has been approved, so I need views and likes only to work on Facebook Instream ads. You can apply if you have 10,000 likes and watch time completed. If you need Facebook Instream watch time, you can contact me on my Facebook page to get watch time in reasonable rates. If you are facing problem, please message me on my Facebook page, link given in description. Thank you.